Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Historic Manafort case has been reassigned to Obama-appointed liberal activist judge. Obama-appointed liberal activist judge Amy Berman Jackson is currently overseeing the most important court case in U.S. history. On January 3rd, we reported that Paul Manafort's filing of a suit against the deep state DOJ, Jeff Sessions' Assistant Attorney General Rod Rosenstein, and corrupt investigator Robert Mueller would shut down Mueller's corrupt investigation. Now we know that the Obama-appointed D.C. judge replaced another judge that is overseeing the case. In early January, former Trump campaign manager Paul Manafort sued the DOJ, Robert Mueller, and Rod Rosenstein and demanded the Mueller investigation be shut down. We now have reported for months on the many criminal and corrupt actions taken by numerous parties related to the Mueller investigation. Mueller never should have taken on the job in the first place due to numerous conflicts of interest. He is best friends with fired leaker and former FBI Director James Comey. He met with Comey shortly before Comey testified with Congress, and for this alone, he should have recused himself. Now, the team Mueller built to attack President Trump and have him removed, as all deep state attorneys and crooks, consist of all deep state attorneys and crooks. Now, Mueller's record in the past is scattered with actions that let the Clintons off scot-free on numerous occasions when they should have been put in jail. Now, we know now that the FBI had an investigation into the Clintons and monies they received from Russia in return for giving Russia 20% of all U.S. uranium. Now, prior to the Obama administration approving the very controversial Uranium One deal in 2010, giving the Russians 20% of America's uranium, the FBI had evidence that Russian nuclear industry officials were involved in bribery, kickbacks, extortion, and money laundering in order to benefit Vladimir Putin. Now, the FBI approved the deal anyways. Now, we also know that Rosenstein and Mueller were the ones who allowed the Uranium One deal to go forward. This is the real Russia collusion story involving the U.S. government. We know that Mueller's team illegally obtained emails related to the Trump transition team, and these emails were protected under attorney-client privilege. However, Mueller and his entire team should have resigned after this. But perhaps one of the most damning aspects of the Mueller investigation is that it was not legal. The corrupt Mueller investigation is tasked with finding a crime that does not even exist within the law. It is a legal impossibility. Mueller is being asked to do something that is manifestly unattainable. Now, Manafort sued the DOJ, Mueller, and Rosenstein because what they are doing is not even supported by U.S. law. Now, Manafort's case is solid. The entire Mueller investigation should be thrown out. However, we know that the Obama-appointed U.S. District Judge from the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia has been assigned to the case. Judge Amy Berman Jackson has a horrible far-left record on the bench and will no doubt do all she can to keep the corrupt Mueller investigation in place. In 2013, Judge Jackson rejected arguments from the Catholic Church that Obamacare's requirements that employers provide cost-free coverage to contraceptive services is contrary to the religious beliefs and violated their religious and free speech freedoms. Now, in 2017, Judge Jackson dismissed a wrongful death suit against Hillary Clinton filed by two of the families who lost loved ones in Benghazi. The families argued that Clinton had done little to help their sons and then lied to cover it up. Now, for some reason, the Manafort case was reassigned to Judge Jackson on January 19, a few weeks after being filed. Now, with her atrocious record to date, Deep State certainly wants Judge Jackson overseeing this case so they can continue to get their way. Now, be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and tell me how you feel about this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. Peace.